to our first monthly update for the Children's Mercy Parking Garage project. I'm Brian Miller, I'm the project manager for this project. Throughout this job, we're going to give you guys monthly updates to be able to see insights into the project, the construction process, and overall progress. Where I'm standing right now, we're standing just at the front entrance to the building at the elevator lobby. We're about 20 feet above the subgrade to the base of the elevator. Looking back behind us over the last month, we spent a lot of time going through and excavating back this basement and base floor for the parking garage. Right now we're about 85% prepped throughout the overall building footprint and ready for our piers to be able to start here following the demo operations that are happening. Demo contractor right now on site for Children's Mercy is working on cleaning up the remainder of the foundations and material from the stack on site. Last week we had them out here working through the demo of the stack. It was pretty exciting watching that. But a little bit of progress here left to happen, and then we're going to move into some upcoming activities. Looking forward to the next month. Welcome back to our building pad. We're right now sitting down on the B1 level, our lower level, just below street access to the parking garage and our access point over into the existing DC garage. Right where we're standing right here is really where the crane's going to be set up here. Look, we'll have a 250-ton crane here on site. One drill rig that'll be sitting over here in the elevator pit area working on piers. Another drill rig back behind us working on piers, and we're going to continue to work through the building pad. Just before we get those activities going, starting next week, we're going to be starting with some deep utilities for public relocated utilities on the west side of the site. That work will be going on for about a week to 2 weeks with some sewer bypass pumping. As soon as we're done with that activity, we're going to be mobbing these pieces of equipment in and start to work through our building foundations. Looking forward to next month's update. We'll see you then.